Hey everyone, welcome to my channel AnyMany Tech. In this video, we will learn about Python strings. So strings in Python are basically the sequence of characters that are enclosed within codes. So we can use single quote, double quote or triple quote to generate a sequence of characters that is called as string. So strings are basically used to represent and manipulate any kind of text that we write within the Python language. Now let us take some example. So what I can do is I can define several string with the help of using single quote, double quote as well as triple quote. So let me go to the Jupyter notebook and try to write some strings. So here in my Jupyter notebook, what I can write is str1 equals, and this time I will use the single quote. So I can write this is a wonderful world, and then that is it, right? And let me try to check the output. So I can see the output whenever I am defining the string using single quote. Now again, let me try to define one more string with the help of double quotes this time. So I can write the same statement in string 2 using double quotes. So what I can write is, this is a wonderful world, and then within double quotes. Let me try to print str2, and now you can see again the output remains the same. Again, I can write the same statement with the help of triple quotes as well. So the same thing, this is a wonderful world, and then within triple quotes this time. Let us try to print the output for str3, and then now you can see again I am returned with the same output. So doesn't matter you define your string within single quote, double quote or triple quote, the output is going to be the same. Next, let us discuss about immutability in Python strings. So the strings in Python are basically immutable, which means that once we create any particular string, it cannot be changed. Obviously, we can perform any kind of operation on it that will modify the operation, but the original string will remain the same. So for example, let me again take an example, and let me go back to the Jupyter notebook. So this time what I can write is, let us suppose I can write original and equals hello. And let me try to print original. And now what I'm going to do is I will type modified, right? So modified equals original dot upper, which basically will return the same string in uppercase, and then I will provide the parenthesis, that is the small brackets. And now let me try to print the output for modified. So now you see the same string is returned in upper cases, but then if we verify the original string, that is the original, it will remain the same, right? So you see the difference between this hello and this hello. So this is the concept of immutability. Now let us try to understand how to extract individual characters in Python strings. And we also have a concept of slicing that we are going to discuss in the upcoming slides. So for this, let us try to understand the indexing first. So the indexing in Python language always starts from 0. So for example, if I try to define a new string, so new underscore string equals I am happy. And if I want to check the first character, all I have to do is I have to write new underscore string, and within the large brackets I have to type 0 because the indexing starts from 0. Similarly, if I have to check the last character, what I have to do is I have to write new underscore string, and then within the large bracket I have to type -1 because this is the case of reverse indexing. Now again let me go back to the Jupyter notebook and try to perform some exercise. So here in my Jupyter notebook, what I can do is the same example. So I will write new string equals, and let me write I am happy, right? Next what I can do is I will write new underscore string and then provide a large bracket, and I will type 0. Now the expectation is I should be returned with the output as I, because this is the first character in my string. And when I supply 0 within the large bracket, this means that I want to see the first character within the string, right? So let us verify. So now you see I am returned with I. Similarly, if I have to check the last character, what I have to do is I have to type -1 instead of 0. So again, let me verify. So new string, and then within large bracket, I can type -1. Let us verify. So I am returned with Y. Similarly, you can play around and you can explore the other index options as well. So for example, new string, and if I type 2, so this time 2 would mean that, so I is 0, then we have space which is 1, and then A is 2, right? So I should be returned with A here. So let us verify. So yes, I am returned with A here. Similarly, if I want to see the second space, that is between M and happy, there is a space. If I want to see this space, this will be basically the index 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, because the index are also calculated in the string. So if I write new underscore string, and within the large bracket if I supply 4, the answer should be a space, right? So let us verify. So now you see within the quote, you see the blank space. That is what we were expecting.